All right, scholars. So today I want to bring to you this short presentation on an European Union traineeship program. So if you are someone who is looking for a traineeship program in the European Union, that is the Schengen zone, then this is a great opportunity for you. So quickly, without wasting much time, let's dive into how you can apply for this particular traineeship and internship and have the opportunity to travel and have several months in Europe to study or work on an internship program. So head up to Google, search Blue Book Traineeship. Blue Book Traineeship. So when you go there, this is the official website. So if you click open that link, yeah. So when you open the link, this is the traineeship program official European Commission website. And then you can see that they said Blue Book Traineeship Program. Blue Book Traineeship Program. This is twice a year, and the Commission offers a 5-month paid traineeship. So this is a paid traineeship program. You can go to discover what we offer, and you can see the essentials of it. So 2 sessions a year. They are basically telling you about how the traineeships are done and the available traineeships. So the European Union Commission proposes 3 types of traineeship. So they have the administrative traineeship for university graduates. That's what we call the admin UG. Then they have the administrative traineeship for vocational education and training graduates. So if you are someone who graduated from a university, then you go for the first option. If you are someone who graduated from a technical university, a vocational school, or a vocational college, then you go for the second option. Then the last, but not the least, so the third one is the translation traineeship. That is a TRA. So if you are someone who knows how to speak maybe different languages like French, German, Spanish, and English all together, then you go for that program. We have people who go to school to learn languages. So this is an opportunity for those of you who went to university or college to learn something on languages. You can choose the program. Now, so you can either, if you want to know more about each and every of the programs, you can click on each and every one of them. So if you are a graduate from university, like I said earlier on, you can just quickly click on this to read more about this particular traineeship program, which is for university graduate. So they say gain practical experience within the European Commission or its agencies. The traineeship offers an insight into EU's policymaking and public administration in an international environment. So this is the eligibility criteria: your education, your language requirement, prior work experience of no more than 42 days in the EU institutions, how to apply. So you can click there on how to apply, and you get to know what it entails, the timelines for the application, what it goes to. So the application, eligibility check, then they will do pre-selection, application for specific positions, then selection and placement. So if you want to learn how to apply, you can quickly go click on how to apply, and then you learn. So the general application. Start by submitting an online application to the administrative traineeship. In this step, create an EU login account, complete the application form, and upload all the required documents. So if you click here, it will show you the form and which documents you need to show as proof. So these are also the steps as to which one, how you can create the account and all that, how you can upload the documents. So like I said, these are the documents that you can upload and every now and then. And if you need support too, you can get technical support up to within 3 working days. So this is how it works. Now let's go back. I want us to make this pretty simple. You can also go back. So if you go to the next traineeship program, which is the AdminVed, which is a vocational graduate, it's also the same. And for the translation graduate, it's also the same. Also, let's go back to the official page when we log on to Google. So when you come here, you can easily come down to, instead of going to what they discover what is on offer, you can quickly go down, 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 and then registration for March 2027 session is open. So if you want to register for the upcoming one, you can just click on go. It's open to the application. You just click onto the application and see. You see that available traineeship strands. So applicants may apply to only one traineeship strand. So you cannot apply to multiple of them. You can only apply to one. So take notice of that. So just make a choice based on your qualification and whatever you studied back in school. If you're a university graduate, go for this. If you are a technical, vocational college or a school graduate, go for this. And if you are someone who is into translation or different language, then go for the TRA. Don't apply more than one because that is the requirement. If you do that, you may be disqualified. And like I showed you in the previous page, you can either read about each and every one of them as to how to apply. If you are a technical vocational, you can read about them too here. Or if you are a translator, you can also go to this place. And now, we looked at in the previous steps as to how you can make the application itself. The deadline is what? 4th September at 10 a.m. Brussels time. That is Belgium time. So quickly, you can create an account. So apply or check your account. So you can click here. When you click here, let's see what happens. So here, so if you already have an email, you have already have an account, you can put in your email here and then you click next. You can put in your email here and click next. If you don't have an email or you have not created an account, like we saw in the previous slide, they said you can create an account. So you can just click here. So when you click here, you create an account. So you put in your first name, your last name, your email, you confirm the email, the language you want, if you want, which any other language, if you are Spanish, if you want to use Spanish, you want to use English, you want to use French, you want to use Dutch, whichever language is comfortable to you, just select that. And then you create the account. When you create the account, they will send you the login details back into your email, you confirm it, just like any other application. Then you can come back and log in. You can come back, you can go back to the section that they say login, and then just click here. So just click here, and then you put in your email that you used to create the account. Take notice that they've already sent you the login details, the password you created and everything into your email. So you just use that email. You put it inside, you click on next. When you click on next, it will take you to the next page for you to put in the password. Then you log in and then apply. So this is just a brief about this traineeship program. So the deadline, as we all know, is very close, 4th September. Take notice, 4th September, 4th September, 4th September, 2026. And then let's check quickly before we run up with this video. So let's go to this particular one. They'll tell you the eligibility criteria. Now, so we have already looked at the requirements. So if you click on any of them, you see the eligibility criteria, how to apply, the timelines for the application. We all know the deadlines already. What will you do? So carry out practical job-related tasks linked to your vocational education and training. Apply technical or professional skills in real work environment. So this is the kind of things that you're doing when you are selected or when you get picked up for this paid traineeship. Where will you work? The vocational education trainees program are placed in European Commission department and services, mainly in Brussels, that's in Belgium, and in Luxembourg. So these are the places that you will be having. So it's either you go to Brussels or you go to Luxembourg, any of them that you may be placing. So this is the brief about it. Take notice that you cannot apply more than one position. So look at whichever one out of the three, select one and apply. Also take notice that the deadline is 4th of September. Create the account now and go and apply. I wish all of you good luck. And as always, Webu College, we are here for us to excel together. If you have not yet subscribed to this our channel, I will encourage you to subscribe now and click on the notification button that anytime we put in a new video, you also receive it and also share it with others. Click also on the like button and share with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until then, see you again in our next video, and bye-bye.